Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Shairul Alman. I'm going to present about world-class manufacturing in Nissan manufacturing. Corporate background. Corporate background of Nissan Motor Corporation. It is established at 26 December 1933 by Yoshisuke Aikawa under Nissan Group, or also known as Nissan Zaibutsu. There are 4 other members in the founding of the Nissan Group, which are Kenjiro Den, Rokura Aoyama, Mitera Takuchi, and William R. Gorham. The global headquarters of Nissan is at Nishiku, Yokohama in Japan. Nissan also operates worldwide in the world. Nissan Malaysia. In 1957, Tan Chung Motor was appointed the franchise holder of Nissan or Datsun vehicles in Malaysia, and Nissan became the best-selling brand in the country in 1970. Tan Chung Motor was listed on the Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad in 1974. The group is principally involved in the assembly and distribution of automobiles. The Tan Chung Motor was founded in 1957 by 2 Malaysian entrepreneurs, Tan Yuk Fo and Tan Kim Ho, with ambition of importing and selling Nissan or Datsun cars from Japan. This is the financial of Nissan. Nissan traded as TYO 7201, also known as Nikkei 225 components and Topix Core 30 components. The net sales of Nissan is around 671 billion yen, also equal to 6.173 billion dollar. The total asset is about 616 yen and is roughly about 153 billion dollar. Nissan have many employees around the world. It have roughly about 136,134 employees around the world in 2020. This is the corporate leader and the product of the Nissan. The corporate leader is the chairman Yasushi Kimura, the CEO Makoto Uchida, and COO is Ashwani Gupta. The product from Nissan is automobiles, luxury vehicles, commercial vehicles, outboard motor, and forklift trucks. Nissan also have its own division, which are Nissan, Infiniti, Nismo, and Datsun. Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance. Since 1999, Nissan has been sent part of the renowned Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance, or Mitsubishi is joining in 2016, a partnership between Nissan and Mitsubishi Motor of Japan with Renault of France. As of 2013, Renault holds of 43.4% voting stake in Nissan, while Nissan holds 15% non-voting stake in Renault. Since October 2016, Nissan has held a 35% controlling stake in Mitsubishi Motors. Nissan brands. In 2013, Nissan was the 6th largest automaker in the world, after Toyota, General Motors, Volkswagen Group, Hyundai Motor Group, and Ford taken together. The renowned Nissan Alliance was the world's 4th largest automaker. Nissan was the leading Japanese brand in China, Russia, and Mexico. In 2014, Nissan was the largest car manufacturer in North America. As of April 2018, Nissan was the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer with global sales of more than 320,000 all-electric vehicles. The top-selling vehicle of the car maker's fully electric lineup in the Nissan Leaf. The number second top-selling electric car globally, just behind the Tesla Model 3. Global supply chains and manufacturing. Nissan faced both automotive industry and global supply chains difficulties. As of August 2001, time from order to delivered for Japan domestic market vehicles exceeded 30 days and 40 days for the American market. Planning and strategy. Nissan made a commitment to reduce order to delivery (OTD) time from 30 days to less than 14 days by Q4 2004. Nissan's global management approved global deployment of Nissan Production Way of NPW and embraced the concept of Dauki Season to achieve this goal. The Nissan Production Way. Toyota invented the Toyota Production System or TPS in 1994. Nissan developed the Nissan Production Way on NPW to outline its synchronized production philosophy. The idea was to improve the company productivity and effectiveness and have a global standard production system. So essentially, manufacture according to the real consumer order, thus coordinating all operations and materials. After the Renault and Nissan alliance took place, Renault embraced the NPW or Nissan Production Way in its plans to produce each other's automobile. Renault increased its productivity and decreased its defective part percentage as a result. The Nissan Production Way. The aim of Nissan Production Way is same as the Toyota Production System and Lean Production System. The basis of Nissan Production Way is drastic cost reductions on all levels in all divisions to be implemented by numerous cross-functional teams. Nissan Production Way focused on reducing Nissan's cost per unit by minimizing internal costs, eliminating unnecessary corporate functions, and avoid pressuring suppliers. They are basic principles of Nissan Production Way to never-ending. Never-ending synchronization with customer. Synchronization of quality caused by eliminate waste and time to reduce lead time and have on-time delivery. These are the examples of never-ending synchronization with the customer. The Dauki Season. The Dauki Season meaning in Japanese is sequent or simultaneous or synchronized production. The Dauki Season is to coordinate what produced in manufacturing with the actual customer order, thereby synchronizing all aspects of operation and materials. The Dauki Season concept helps cut lead time across the supply chains and begins and ends with the customer. After a customer places an order with a dealer, there has to be synchronization between the manufacturer, the supplier, and the dealer with an efficient process flow without any disruption. Shop floor management problems are solved and improvements are made at the actual place where they arise on the shop floor. Never-ending tasks to identify problems and put in place solutions. It is identify gaps between desired manufacturing state and present manufacturing setting. Nissan used the terms Kanri, which are shop floor management, to solve problems where they occur most in the shop floor and make improvement. The Nissan production way operation benefits. It allowed for the manufacture of more than 3 different models on a single assembly line. Use computer-generated input schedule to identify production bottlenecks and produce work in process schedule. Effective throughout entire supply chains from design, freeze to paint shop and final delivery. The Nissan production way consumer value. The Nissan production way delivered direct consumer value. New model can be introduced within 18 months of design freeze, customized and ordered by final consumer by Nissan website, assembled and delivered to consumer within 2 weeks of order, and reduce cost to manufacturer, ideally allowed for lower new product price. Nissan production way benefits in environmental. Nissan is dedicated to the management of global CO2 levels and is implementing model shift to less pollution transportation methods. It also reduced corporate waste through reduction in paperwork, increase in overall process efficiency, and various unquantified miscellany. Next, we're gonna see the Nissan Intelligent Factory video.
Building the future of mobility. Bringing craftspersonship to robots. Making better workplaces with robots. Manufacturing for zero emissions. Manufacturing facilities that are resilient to fluctuations and evolve to mass-produce electrified, smart, and connected vehicles. This is Nissan Intelligent Factory. Door assembly requires a high level of craftspersonship. This has been transferred to a robot and the process has been fully automated. The robot measures the assembly position in real time and corrects it with an accuracy within plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. Laser brazing is used to directly weld the outer surfaces together. This eliminates roof moldings, improves appearance, and reduces aerodynamic drag. The robot removes foreign objects from the car body in the body shop. Cleaner vehicle bodies delivered to the painting process have further improved paint quality. Newly developed water-based paint allows the metal body and plastic bumpers to be painted and baked together. This saves energy and has reduced CO2 emissions by 25%. Paint quality checks requiring craftsperson skills have been fully automated. Each robot thoroughly inspects approximately 6,000 spots, detecting 100% of all foreign objects down to an industry-leading size of 0.3 millimeters. Such tiny objects are difficult for the human eye to see. Check results are sent to the central control system. Inspectors use a smartphone on their arm. Previously, workers had to crouch inside the vehicle to install the headliner. Now this process has been fully automated. The craftsperson's technique with a soft touch has been transferred to robots. When installing the cockpit module, the robot reproduces the craftsperson's skill of precisely aligning the vertical and horizontal positions. The robot measures and corrects the position of the body and parts and installs them in the best possible position. The result is a well-proportioned and seamless cockpit. The Sumo process enables the motor, battery, and rear suspension to be mounted at the same time. This streamlines what was a 6-part process into one. Robots perform the difficult process of fastening the car's components from below. EVs, e-power, and internal combustion engine vehicles can all be built on a single production line. Sumo can handle 27 different variations across vehicle platforms. The central control room uses 267 360-degree cameras to constantly monitor the status of equipment. If there is system trouble, equipment maintenance experts analyze the situation and instruct maintenance personnel on how to fix the problem. This has reduced recovery time by about 30%. An IoT-based quality assurance management system is in place. Inspection results are assessed by robots to remove human error and recorded via newly introduced tablets. Traceability within the final inspection process has been increased thanks to digitalization.
In the conclusion, Nissan is a big manufacturing company that have world-class manufacturing system in the factory. It also have its own LPS, which mean Lean Production System, which are the Nissan Production Way and Doki Season for its manufacturing system. Nissan have proved to be among the best production system in the world in the way by becoming the 6th largest automobile maker production in the world. Recommendation and improvement. Nissan Production Way is one of the best lean production system in the world, but there are some improvements that can be made in the system. Nissan can make more simplicity and Kanban-based supply system. It is also can make improvement in the company's productivity and effectiveness and have a global standard production system. It also can focus on the maximize customer value, perfect processes, and perfect product value. Thank you for watching the video and Assalamualaikum.